Hi, here we are data collaborators for the Hackathon 2016. Our team members are Sai Kishore Bandaru, Sirish Chandra, Manohar Reddy and Diane. Here we are going to submit the use case number 1 designed by the ad knowledge. Here is our system architecture. We have three phases here. The user interface, the Google APIs as the middleware, and the database. The user interface has two parts, the authentication and the querying part. In the authentication part, we are going to authenticate the user based on his username and password. The user can either use his username or the email ID which you have used during the registration time. The Google APIs are used to extract the YouTube information from the Google database based on the keyword given by the user during querying. This is our login page which we have designed where the user need to enter his user ID and the password. Once the user enters his credentials, you need to click on the submit button to move forward. This is the login functionality which we have designed using the Ajax. In case the user forgets his password, we have also designed a web page where the user needs to enter his email ID and click on submit. The user will be receiving his previous password in his email. Now, here is the core logic of our project. The user needs to enter the search term, let's say Google or some Michael Jackson videos if you want to see, and the latitude and longitudes too. Because here, due to certain technical issues and due to non-working of certain Google APIs, we use the geolocation also as a querying point. So the user needs to submit his latitude and longitude values also so as to get the videos which can be seen and which are posted in his area. Here we are basically using a context based recommendation system rather than a collaborative based recommendation system. Here is the sample code which we have written for extracting the YouTube information from Google. So what exactly we were able to achieve here is whenever the user enters the geolocation details and the keyword in a search term, the user will be receiving a list of YouTube video names and also its metadata information like views, the user who has created it, the number of likes, dislikes and all. But we were unable to get the URL link for it. So here we are just populating the names of the YouTube videos and also its metadata. And here is the sample output in the Java Eclipse. So the first thing is the user will be entering the Google term, the search term, and also the geolocation. And we have also included a radius thing. I mean, let's say if he is located in Kansas City and if he enters a radius around 30 kilometers, so the epicenter will be the Kansas City and the entire radius will be the value which the user gives, and you can see the output at the below. The video link, the title, the location, the thumbnails are over there. We have not printed the other metadata like the views and the user who has created it and all. So for this project we have used Ajax calling and also the JSPs for the web application, and we are in the process of completing the application soon. Due to certain time constraints, we were unable to put it in the output form, in the desired output form, like creating a grid and pasting the videos in the each grid, and also rating the top 10 videos or the top 25 videos. So as far as now, we were able to just list down the videos that are located, that are posted nearby the geolocation of the user and based on the search term. Thank you, and we have also posted our code in the GitHub, which can be viewed since it's a public account. Thank you, and we hope you have done a good job. Thank you.